Ed Aragon has been more or less keeping up with the correspondence. I've never opted out of Banggaan ever since it started. So I'm very, very happy. And also Claro. Claro is also another one of us na ano talaga. It's nice. I'm very proud of what Banggaan has become. It's been almost like a brotherhood or sisterhood. Hindi lang lalaki lahat. Sila Zen Lopez, sila Melissa. Very, very, very young.
Well, when I joined Banggaan, I thought I was just joining a group where, I've been a member of other groups before.
That is so personal kasi.
It's so personal.
It's so nice.
Before I know it, I felt so close to the group. I never felt so close to the group.
And actually, we're all very happy na in-introduce ka ni Ed Love.
I had a private conversation with Ed. Sabi ko, Ed, I just realized, sabi ko, I feel like I'm out of place. Sabi ko, I'm not an artist like you guys, Sabi ko, just be yourself. Sabi ko, just be yourself. You're doing fine.
Yeah.
So that was an assurance. Sabi ko, when I realized that all the members were involved in some kind of art, sabi ko, I'm really not an artist. I don't even know how to draw. Sabi ko,
Diba nung usapan, discussion kami na, mahabang thread yun, about getting a PC or getting a Mac. Are you a Mac guy or are you a PC guy?
I know.
Pero the few times I had correspondence with him, parang magnet siya, no? Whenever he writes, everybody reacts. Kaya nakita ko yung taxi,
You were an influence, my son was not able to convince me to go Apple. Pero be assured na binili ko lang yung purchase ko ng Apple, but my next desktop will be an Apple. Sabi ko, you did it.
I'll ask you how many
Matagal na ako kinoconvince ng son ko eh. Sabi niya,
Sa pang maganda ngayon.
pero siya nag-understand. Because I saw how strong
yung passion ko sa
No, but it's not
actually, it's not because I was passionate or fanatic ako sa Apple. No, it's because really, ang gusto ko kasi doon, it just helped me get over a lot of the problems that I had with the PC before. So, yun ang talaga. It was very, very low maintenance
by seeing how passionate you were and knowing that you were an Apple user. So sabi ko, what better recommendation can you make? We are getting first-hand experience. If you go to an Apple store, of course they'll tell you, but
it's not the same as having an actual user.
An Apple user who has no financial interest in how Apple is.
Banggaan members, those were Ben Rason and Ante, arguing whether they would keep an Apple or a PC. Okay?
I think if we pursue this conversation, it will take a long time.
But maybe in the meantime, we can agree on eating this chicharon. Pero, see? And you can zoom in on the chicharon of Ben. Oh, there.
But you have to wait until we get the other.
And you can see that Ben Rason stays a die-hard Amboy. Pero, that's West Virginia or what?
Mountaineers.
Oh, see? Can you see that? Oh.
I'm a die-hard West
He's
Virginia
a
fan.
Filipino nationalist and an Amboy at that.
You can understand that.
Okay? Now, wait till I get my Windows Movie Maker Corrected. You know what? Not corrupted.
That's why you need a Mac, Glenn.
I've not been able to upload any video. Okay?
This is the second one. The first one, I lost a lot of fire.
So
Then
bad.
This is so bad. Yeah, and you guys, you Apple users have never left any. So
And this guy loves to eat apple, huh?
I have a bit of the apple, and I'm guilty of original sin. So
actually for me, Ben, to tell you the truth, the usage, you know, I had these two cases where I lost my files, okay? But other than that, I had no problem with using PC. It's just that I've lost my files twice, so that's enough.
But I also had that experience countless times when I had my PC. I went through two Dell laptops and another desktop computer back in the mid-90s. And I really, I just gave up on the PC after how many years? Because it's just been so high maintenance to keep up with the PC.
What you download.
And especially now with the internet, the way it's set up now, the viruses are bad.
Ano na nga yung kinakain natin bawal na cholesterol?
Wala.
So, ladies and gentlemen, in a short while,
My friend from Chicago, si Tanzan, and Glenn
of course,
And when Aragon comes home in late March, we're all gonna have a birthday gathering here.
yeah, okay.
Exhibit. And
Time for your
Okay.
it's gonna be
That'll be great. That'll be great. So in a while, we'll be shifting from Chicharon to Balbacua. Okay? So, reporting natin
Balbacua and Tangiging.
Here's the new crowd here in our house. There's the background
It's almost
There's the Tanigi, right there. Ed Labadia, eat your heart out.